So if you remember my previous video, we made the Planet Adrian from Project Hail Mary in Blender. But in this video I want to show you some ways we can speed up rendering in Eevee and simplify our material. So if I switch to Eevee, you'll notice it takes a long time for Eevee to compute the shaders, because we are using a huge number of nodes. So let's go back to solid mode. I go to edit, preferences, and here make sure you have switched this to Vulkan. If you want to use Vulkan instead of OpenGL, you will need to restart Blender once. Now I close preferences, select this node group and go inside it. Now I delete all the node groups we have here and keep only one of them. Now let's add a repeat node here. I connect vector to the repeat node and connect this socket to vector, and I connect vector to vector. So what's happening here is that instead of duplicating the node groups, we can now use the repeat node, and all we need to do is adjust the iteration count. Another thing to keep in mind is using an image texture instead of procedural texture. You might be wondering how we are going to do that when we are not using UVs. So let me show you. Actually, all we need is an Q rectangular mode. So first we need to choose a proper resolution. If we want an 8K texture, for example, we can set resolution X to 8192 here, and for resolution Y we just divide that number by 2. Then we add a camera in scene properties. We select our camera, then we can adjust the camera's rotation here. Now we need to switch to cycle since this method doesn't work in Eevee, but you can switch back to Eevee afterward. I set max samples to 1, then go to object data properties, set the lens type to panoramic and use the equirectangular panorama type. Now let's switch to render mode. First, I disable the compositing viewport. I hide the atmosphere object and the sun. Then select our planet surface, and now here I can Ctrl Shift left click on the noise texture. And all that's left is to render and save this. So as you can see, we can create an image texture for our planet without using UVs at all. I'll provide you with links to 8K and 16K textures for the coral fields so you can use them yourself. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.